We have all sorts in this box. And it's not going very well. Sorry, that got like really deep. Went from like stressing over makeup to like death and shit. Hello, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today is New Year's Eve and your gal is trying to sort a bedroom out. And it's not going very well. Not gonna lie. I've just filmed my what I got for Christmas video and now I'm trying to sort out my room. And it's messy. My lipstick looks a bit of a mess, by the way. It's because I've just had some chicken bites and wedges. So it's like quite oily, quite greasy. But hey ho. So this is what my bedroom is looking like. Are you ready, boys and girls? Are you ready for the mess? I think you're ready for this mess. I think you're ready. It actually doesn't look as bad. I say that, I mean I've got all this shiz on my bed. I've got all this shiz on the floor. This I've just cleaned a little bit up here just so it wasn't as embarrassing. I've put my Crayola pens in here now instead of makeup brushes, which is what I did last night. I've got stuff down here. I've got clothes to put away. I've got bags and bags and bags and bags and bags and boxes and so what I've done is up here I used to have tubs and tubs and tubs of like makeup brushes and stuff. So what I've done instead is, I don't know if you'll be able to actually see, but there's like some black boxes just behind all of this, and I've put in boxes of makeup brushes. So I actually tried out my Style Pro brush cleaner last night for the first time ever. I absolutely loved it. I've realised that it doesn't work without their actual brush cleaner, so you couldn't use, I tried the MAC brush cleaner, it's too soapy. I tried baby shampoo, which is like my normal go-to, too soapy. I tried the Real Techniques one, too soapy. So you have to use their brush cleaner, which luckily I had a big bottle of. So yeah, I tried that last night and really liked it. So I've got a full tub of brushes that are clean and I've got a full tub of brushes that are dirty because I just it got late last night and I was like, yeah, I need to stop. Otherwise I'm going to use up all this brush cleaner and I need to have a break. So yeah, I've changed all that around so I can put my little Crayola pens in that pen pot instead. So I'm just not used to my hair like this. I tried like my little waver thing yesterday and I do quite like it actually. I think I would do it a little bit different. I don't know if I'd go all the way down this time. It kind of makes my ends look a bit scraggly. But yeah, so yeah, I was doing that last night and now I'm just trying to find a home for everything that I got for Christmas and just organise my life. I'm going to do a massive declutter series coming up very soon now that I've got this nice new camera, because it focuses so much better than my Sony. My Sony was a pain in the ass for it. But I'm going to show you where I've put some of my Christmas stuff so far. It looks like have I got like a massive white tash where my makeup's come off? Who knows? Who knows and who cares at this point? Oh, I do. I can see it there. So I've just ate. Slapping what that's off. So this little pot up here has lip liners and liquid lipsticks and all sorts. This needs a good dusting and it needs a good sorting out. This top drawer has all of my Lime Crime liquid lipsticks, which I don't even think I've ever tried. I got these, I bought them in bulk off somebody off eBay, off Instagram. And I think I've only ever swatched them. I don't think I've actually played around with them. So they're just in there. And then this drawer has loads of my Christmas stuff in it. It's like my Charlotte Tilbury, my Milk, my MAC, Huda Beauty are in there. And then this drawer has all of my new MAC lipsticks that I got for Christmas, including that one that I got in the Debenhams advent calendar. I've got like a NARS Concealer at Bond, this Way Powder, a mini Boyne one, and we've also got a Charlotte Tilbury liquid latex lip gloss as well. The only thing is it's a bit harder to close than it is to open. One moment, boys and girls, like show. And then I need to sort these drawers out because these drawers are just horrendous. Like they need a good sort out. So I'll definitely be doing like a full declutter thing. And then this conspiracy palette has actually been here since I got it. And I think I've only used it in that video and that's it. So I'm going to start using this properly again now that I'm sorting things out. Sorting my life out. So I've got like all my Christmas stuff laid out. I've kind of got a bag for recycling, I've got a bag for rubbish, and I'm sorting things out. I'm kind of deboxing things that I want to debox and all that kind of good stuff. So I'll go on recycling. Some of the stuff I am going to keep in the packaging because I'm just not ready. I'm not ready yet to let go. Which just sounds like such a stupid thing, but that's just what I'm like. So like this Huda Beauty bauble, like this can go, packaging can go in the bin. It's weird because I'm looking around my room and I was like, I don't know where to put things. I need like a really good like organisation. I need a good like declutter and sort my life out. I've got that Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette, which was in that bauble that I've just showed you there. If I can get it to focus. Look at that bad boy. Loves it, loves it, loves it. I'm so excited to actually try that as well. I'm going to put that in my palette drawer. It's funny as well because some of my drawers I've started putting lining in, so it doesn't move about. So I've got like this lining in my skincare drawer so far and in like my main drawer, just so things don't slide all over and stuff. I'm going to declutter this, take this Fenty one out of its packaging. So excited to actually try that. So underneath my dressing table I have two boxes. Two grey boxes. One of them has all of my giveaway prizes for you beautiful people, and the other one has all of like new stuff that I need to try or I haven't got round to trying yet. I'm just pulling everything because I put stuff on top of it now because that's how bad things are getting. I tried my new style pro last night. Well, I wouldn't say new, I've had it for like maybe over a year now. But I tried it out last night and I absolutely loved it. So I think the first grey box, this one here, I think this is my box. Yes. So in here we have like we have all sorts in this box. Stuff that like I want to try, haven't got round to trying. Some of it, to be honest with you, I think I'm going to eventually put into my selling box because I just don't need this much stuff. Do you know what I mean? It's just not needed. So I think what I'm going to do is put some of my Christmas stuff in this box for me to try and to do first impression videos. I'm going to take some of it out of the packaging because it's just not needed. I'm going to recycling. Oh my god, I tried that Huda Beauty contour cream, by the way. I don't know how I feel about that. It's going to have to be one that I try underneath foundation because it didn't go well for me personally on top of foundation. So yeah, that's one that I need to try. I'm going here. What else can go in here? That Marc Jacobs one. And then I'm going to put, that Fenty one can go in here. Then I'm going to put my new eyeshadow palettes in my palette drawers because there's plenty of room in my palette drawers, so that's not an issue. So I've put quite a few things in there. Actually, do you know what? I'm going to put them little Lion King bath salts in there as well. Like so. And then that's hopefully we can put the lid on. Where have I put the lid though? Have I lost? Oh, there it is. I was like, how have I lost the lid? I forgot to show you as well for my birthday. I actually got a new tripod for my camera. But because I was using it to film, I didn't even think. It didn't even go through my head. So even if I could just get this to a presentable kind of situation, then it means I'm going to have a shower because I stupidly got ready and didn't have a shower. So now I'm going to have to like tie my hair up and have a shower and make sure I don't get it on my face. It's just stupid of me. And then as long as the bedroom is okay-ish, then I'm going to go to Blake's house. But I need to put them clothes away, but that's not happening any time of day. Just to be honest, that ain't happening anytime soon. I've got like this huge box of Blake's Mum as well. I'll leave a link down below, by the way, to my what I got for Christmas video because I think you'll like it, if I'm honest. This has different body butters in, so we have like a velvet plum and vanilla, we have a marshmallow, another velvet plum, another marshmallow, and then two mince pie ones. But the mince pie ones smell really sweet, they smell really nice. I hate when they put this sticky stuff on the bottom, it just does my head in. And then I'm going to recycle that big box, and I need to find somewhere to put these now. I've got too much stuff, not enough room. Too much stuff, not enough room. got bags and bags galore of shit. Like, I wish you could see how tiny my bedroom is. My bedroom is tiny. I wish you could see that. I used to have a double bed and I downgraded to a single bed because I didn't have enough room in my bedroom for things and to film and stuff like that. So I downgraded, and in my own bed, with my old double bed, used to be where I'm actually sat now. It's like where my wardrobe is and everything. This used to be where my double bed was, and literally the top of my double bed and the end of my double bed is the same size as my bedroom. That's how little my room is. That's how little it is. So little. We don't people realise that. That's why I'm trying to get rid of stuff as well. I definitely need a new way to store my palettes because then palette drawers feel really, really, really heavy. And I think it's like broke at the back. I think it's falling through. So I need a new storage thing for palettes. I just don't know where the fuck to put them. It's such like, first world problems. Who gives a shit? Like, people have bigger problems. I know. But right now it's pissing me off. If you are new here, which majority of you are, because I've got quite a lot of subscribers this year, well, the back end of this year, should I say. New Year's Eve for my family is always a hard time of the year because 16 years ago on New Year's Eve my granddad passed away. We've already had tears this morning. My mum's already got upset because it's her dad, you know what I mean? So this time of the year is difficult for us, for everybody. My nana also lost a partner this year as well. So that's like 2 partners that she's lost in her life, which is, yeah, I don't even want to, yeah, you know what I mean? So it's always a hard time for us this time of the year, and I think because there's stuff going on at home at the moment, I'm not 100% myself at the moment, which is why I haven't really been like motivated to film. And I think that mixed with today, New Year's Eve, and just granddad and everything, it's just, I don't know, it's just one of them. So I know I'm mourning about the fact I don't have enough storage for my stupidly huge obsessive makeup collection. I also know that like there's fucking bigger things going on in the world, and there's bigger things to worry about, and there's bigger things that, do you know what I mean? So yeah. it's just hard. It's just hard this time of the year. It's just hard. Even when I was a kid, like, obviously I'm like 25, no, I'm 25. I'm 25 now, and obviously it happened 16 years ago, and ever since then there's only been like numerous, probably maybe count on one hand how many New Year's Eves I've actually spent with my mum's side of the family, because when I was a kid they didn't want me to spend it with them because it was just, everyone was just emotional and upset. My mum was like, go to your dad's house, you'll have fun, it's New Year's Eve, you need to have fun. Whereas like obviously they were like upset and crying, so she, obviously it's, I don't know, I didn't know what I was saying or where I was going with that, but I just know there's bigger things going on. And this day isn't like, yeah, I don't know. So all I'm going to say in regard to uploads is just bear with me. I don't really know what I'm doing at the moment, where I'm going. I kind of lost myself a little bit, but I'll be alright. I always am. I find myself again. But I just don't really know where to go with my uploads now that Vlogmas is over and done with. Like, should I go back to doing 3 a week like what I was doing in November when Vlogtober was done with? I don't know. And I really wanted to start the new year with a giveaway, but like New Year's tomorrow and I'm not prepared to do a giveaway. I haven't got things sorted, don't really know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna actually do it how I feel. I think that's what I've been missing recently. I haven't just been sitting doing stuff because I just feel like it, instead of doing it because it's like, shit, I've got an upload, I need to do an upload every single day. So yeah, I don't know. So that got like really deep. Went from like stressing over makeup to like death and shit. And lows and highs and